for me mamo akwaba ediba exposed yesu unia bema limo elikem kwame amega and amede ensem papa bi ebro ensem a wutia wo so nyamre na wo hweme a ai ebetima aboa ebetima ya asem a wo so wodwen nti saa no na wa share wa adwen mesrew ene na wo join me subscribe mame ai mesrew ye kan enye ya utumi share wa adwen e wo comment section ono nti na comment section ye den e wo ho ne nyina ye kyerɛkyerɛ ya adwen na asema abeto apono so e kyerɛ sɛ afa hour Pastor Elvis Ajimai every 12 a.m. Our Ghana habia the two live on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Ghana for a joining so one more bompire. Osofwe abrantie shadi yasi enokre ebimusu dia dance here. Say afa one pie bon a bomb because nipa send here so they to me nyambre bompire. But we 1 hour near pep make a klebi na utumi ayeden. Ayero no wa bompire fe. Now when no bompire people have been criticizing this man. And also for your bompire who or Jimomo or Jim PayPal any idea to enrich himself. Nkofo criticize ya won kasa. Now when a picture be a better social media HS at the Alpha Hour office and Alpha Hour in the service area na 2 counting machines siwo na air county sika oma so my service area omo county and nkofo on the lives of bongo ideas ebi omo ya against men of God and all that and the picture na beto social media e ka say media me inform sika nkomo osofo bia o na e wo mo comment section ase so no nkofo bi so ayere omo a kire say wontua hwe e ma sofo bia media emfa me ho wuntua offering wuntua den yo media enye me problem me na me simi di sofo na chi na me tua me offering but this issue no o hwa picture here really this issue no akofa nsem bebre na me pesa me ne wo atwe nsem na me chi nsem e kire wo say see let me tell you something obi eni wa oye nyame adwuma okomode no every bible mini na lewi ebusuafo no de bi anka omo de ya hwom so munye nyame adwuma no de bia aduane e wa soli fie o na aduane wa soli fie no eno nso na ye boama womo mu ni bi ekunafo ene ewisia ne mobofo mu omo adwuma asai omo problem omo nya problem abraboma for a temporary reason no they go to the church to look for food ebi mu soli anopa kwa soli mission houses e ko pe aduane di enas asoli sha ase ne sana nkayeye no because nkayeye sha asoli ukom crashing cities Pentecost churches near the idea ukom mission house aduane ebuo ene wosika ye de bua sa certain people we need janka iti ukwa asori a udwa correction no onim se ebua sofo ne ma no na esa boa wona wo ni bi ene wo mu nye bi sa ene na asori etie you understand. It don't expect say obi a man of God ondi here. Is it a yes say obi be a man of God? Now odi here no na chese o nyame ni papa na. There be onyankopon said you can asempa mu ye no no nyankopon obehye na nemu. It is that criticism na nkofo no. You should be quick to judge because me can same way not because I'm defending this man because me anka say station here da na me no ka say me can then no crash some na achiraw ebre bi bae na yeso ye telecast afa we live e we show yi so bankola na etwa afa o wahie e be frɛ no mo ma ye strike say adan ye be fa ni video ye be yeso ye be den ye be telecast na live but me obi I buy na be me de but I'm here to defend not afa alone but the people who do rightly the work of God. Mami can't chill. Don't criticize the man of God because they are looking good. Their life is better. Mami example we mau. When you go to the hospital, you don't go to hospital for free. Because you go to hospital for the doctor to heal you. Whether he heals you or he doesn't heal you, you go and the doctor provides you service. And a service now or the amount or you always see a baby. That doctor no we see a baby, he has been equipped with certificates, a talent and a gift. and he's using his brain and mind to cure you from your sickness. Now, so I no crown say when you result, no, you pay for his service because you want your certificate as a doctor. And can won't corner the hospital also so you pay for the service of the doctor, whether you were healed or you were not healed. To me, hospital and say, doctor, when to me and some Yariana was some one to me and some, it means your hospital bills. No, you pay for a service, and it becomes something of greatness and goodness. Say, oh, qua no, sao yalia, and no, now, because doctor no so there, only say, oh, sao yalia, now, mutowa, and now, also qua obeba. It the doctor no also yale ni video one o sua agna ni certificate ni ade no sa doctor no so so yale na anko yi a eye ne ya because next time on ba obiom obeko baby fufuro and na obema wa ya transfer ko baby fufuro it the doctor ni providing the service ma no he is wanting you to get good result say ne ebema no so betumi nya ne ho. One doctor because for just to heal, or a doctor to also take care of his family. Because we are the same we hear Juma and say near Juma did it was no soon Juma so be a doctor or sanko for yare. Now when Jessica every say send him, but he knows that his service is for you to get a result. Going back to a lawyer, when no for lawyer no see me lose unti lawyer mean channel service. When you pick up a lawyer, he has gone to school, and with the talent and gift God has given him as a lawyer, no, service you provide him you pay. But it is a bonus and a result. Say, lawyer no so say case now when you know opema why they ewini because we ni over continue one dance ya children na down for omunya case omo be fa wo lawyer no e di why edwuma that goes with the men of God. Obienu oti asole a o se members no sebio asem na meka so ye papa o so onye papa o at the end of the day oni bebienu a wati asole a on pese wo bo asole a wunya result. He wants you to get a result for you to come. It is alpha by bonnie atin if people were not getting results and Branka was here within a month and answer say any testimonies are and can you be a better chance on one own jai and can 4K ni 40K now online no he will not get it but people are getting testimonies and they are testifying it to certain people and not other people to come and join the program and then go for joining a simple understanding. But the pastor being there, it should not be your problem. Because going to the church, no, onyankopon suma ebra ne sua Yesu Kristo suma ne sua fon. So won kono won kan asem no. Wo se won ka mo asem. Na no na be fon musum benya de mu be didi. De oye nyama pa no e no fon didi. You understand? It don't come and question how a pastor lives his life. But ebia no kore mu na nse nyame adwuma na asesa. Because now saying man don't wanna enrich more than the people who are suffering, and it is true. And then I say sorry, to your tight, to your correction. We are some no more in Nancy, church member no much so for minimum conform work companies, shops, bank of softness, so on born in your juma on view. On qua solid bioma, on for phone boom frail say, I didn't know sorry, won't say Winisika, won't say Winiska on frail biom. I'm going to say the style of now doing the work of God and your kingdom business again. And then I bet Danny a money business about a personal business to the men of God. You understand? Because at the end the first kingdom business because also for me I'm going to interview some body Senior Anthony Ahinkai and Wakasa Bium. Member Sapaya Boss say because she na me no kamukula semu chireme. Was before the kingdom of God no was a kingdom business. It ye to money any schedule, but any personal business to us. Ye nyane to say ye transaction because ye young and no man for and whatever they have no they give us. But and they also food trap war at the year counseling. Or go food trap war and the tongue idea was solid. It's a very personal business to also enrich themselves. You understand? It is a uyo be now to ona kase. Obe your sofuna o to correction. Won't tia de to correction. Now sofuna tia sole na uba no preach you no. The preaching is a service to you. wo de wo ye Kristo ni kra na wo ye nipa na wo wiase na wo nkwa asole 1 month wo hwese na will live your life wo de ja asole ko just within 1 month wo we afipo se wo ye Kristo ni because to the be na wo ball life biabra but wo go asole consistent on every Sunday now wo tie preaching the preaching at least keeps you on point a check you Emma won't say, hey, me a day, week when me say, hey, Pastor preaching, and you want to say me, me be crack, I was some economic panic. That is why the pastor preaches to us. And yes, our members see a motion miracle near the Adeno, and I'm a trod for swashim, I'll bring Yami to me, and almost woman say, Ghana falling to train Yamio. They are looking for a powerful man of God that will prophesy because they almost train tia. But me can't say when until we have a better system of economy, a better system of a country, and now people will not go to church to go and look for a man of God who will let them get job, a man of God who will help them travel to abroad, a man of God who will help them get money. No, they will go and search for the word of God and everything. Onipa, mami kebi bincho, asole o to me good da. Do you know why? Because the ebema ube kwa soreno, ebeba. The ebema ebua ube hwehwe nyame nipa ebeba ena me kan di akire o efia swasne gejina TV so ayi asofo da akese asofo eni na se so mu ye business but enne afia swasne ga video abe trending ayi fia swasne ga endam hefa Reverend Dr. Ojabaho Prophet Ojabaho ayi nda ya hye ne nkom me bisa wo so Ojaba ye fake a ope obi ni na ye fake prophecy a oni efia swasne ga na be ye. Me bisa question. So bia ya azan wo wiase a. If you was nigga ni ene ya azan. Ask yourself this question. Eti nyame papa, nyame nipa ne papa wo ho. For the service they provide as men of God, no. That is why they also get money. But mama can be to asofo bi so o bre. So you should be quick to criticize the well-being of a man of God. And yet by force, yem fast can see obi eminim. Me asofo bi boa me na metumi toka. I will not hesitate to buy him a car. Say me kwa soli na me hu resort I will not go and pay any time. Me meet me kotena sorry dem na me ni sika na pastor ka yenye say. Me maybe because I don't kill myself. But some men of God kwa soli a obem we you bottom sika ni na de egu ho. Sa asofo ni na hu a eye dwane. Because sofo bi ofri nya me bia ema hu you last. Emfa gu kotoko, emfa gu ni nsem. And you no be commando. Say one kase wo free wakuma mu say ade we me de sonya me ahwe na me de manya me a ehire bi bebe mu a eno ye different. But ma sofo ni me ka say you last. Na ya me be obo wapo. Eno na me ka kire. But don't use that to criticize the well-being of a man of God. No. We should not do that. Because hospitals are yate. Herbal hospitals are yate wa Ghana. They be omoba online. And omoba TV so ya better. Oba mesa stroke. Oba mesa say yale bi enu amensa. Yale bi obi ane kwa onya result ana. No. But do we come out and say that these herbal hospitals are enriching themselves? No, because of Philisa Wati Hospital. O Philisa Wati Hospital into problem bi anya den emfa ne ho. Debi lawyer bia or bin bia na wo kɔ ne church and service a o ma utumi read your case. Atene ye bi say teacher bia wo fa ne se won kire wo ba de bia na o kye wo ba na de wo ba ne tumi ye sharp ama wo ba na bon wa bon. So we should come out and be stopping that quick action of and as software and reaching no onyami na ehira wo by you showing o hira wo through someone onyami fa so e be hira obi a o ordinam nipa so an o de hira wo. Please yenye ne saa. You understand? You can talk about a fake man of God, but how a man of God lives his life should not be questionable to you. Say so far toka or sha say our toka. Hey, ebi Elvis Ajimashe na so eni o. Ebre bi a weven obofo ni obi ni mo come dio ma na mu ti baby. No mu preach o mu nye sika ni eni mo. Ene adom che dua akofo kasi wo ye fake wo ye say no. Ebre bi asofo no wabenya oye on the lives of Duncan Williams and Otabel. Oye mo age mate. In some season na adum che dua wo enfa. Na so ende afen wabeji ni din, wabe renisi obia. But we are thinking about the well-being of the people, but we are not thinking about where they started. Please, this is a message I want to give. We should not be quick to judge. Eya ye Ghana fo subai. Aha, ena me di mo besi da sene ye besi hia makra mo me di dwumadi e bro samanim me di Lεαked Kwame Amega ubetumi afra me Kent eno ofra me ni be chompa onua chida wadwen e share comment aha ena me di mo besi akra mo bye bye.